So I went to the Houseware show last month.
Yes.
So this is all brand new stuff.
Okay.
So cool. All right, and it's springtime, so we want to eat healthy. But sometimes it's hard to do that. So here are just some gadgets to make it easier.
Emailed Joanne, she knew that I wasn't crazy. You know, we had built this relationship, and she emailed me right back. So if you ask me, would I take all of those no's for this right now? Absolutely. So there's always something around the corner.
I have been hearing about the OXO triple blade spiralizer for months now. So I'm here at Bed Bath & Beyond. I called ahead, they've got one on hold for me. I'm gonna go run in and grab it so we can check it out and see what it does. All right, here it is, and it really is as amazing as everybody told me it was. It's this small, it stores so easy, it's great for apartments and college kids so they can do this too.
Now this is waterproof out here, super soft inside, feel that. It even has a pocket for your cell phone.
So Tommy, I asked you to come today. I wanted to talk about building relationships in the media.
Yes.
And we met a year ago at an event.
Perfect example.
Perfect example.
You're so good. Most people, when they do interviews, have something. You're
I do, you just don't see them.
Oh, really?
And this getting stuff under your bed, they're all great.
Great. That was the answer I was looking for. You nailed it. You passed the test.
Oh, good.
Christina Daves, thank you so much.
Thanks.
Appreciate it. And again, more information at ChristinaDaves.com.